If you notice any suspicious activity related to your Telcel account, it's important to report it promptly to protect your personal information and account security. Follow these steps to report any concerns effectively. Step 1. Gather information. Collect all relevant details regarding the suspicious activity. This includes dates, times, descriptions of the incidents, and any messages or calls you received that seemed unusual. Step 2. Contact customer service. Call Telcel's customer service at their official number. You can find this number on their website or your billing statement. Be prepared to provide the information you gathered in Step 1. Step 3. Use the Telcel app. If you have the Telcel app installed, log into your account. Navigate to the support or help section where you can report suspicious activity directly through the app. Step 4. Visit a Telcel store. If you prefer face-to-face communication, visit a nearby Telcel store. Bring your identification and any documentation related to the suspicious activity to discuss your concerns with a representative. Step 5. Follow up. After reporting the issue, keep track of any reference numbers or case ID provided. Follow up with Telcel if you do not receive a response within a reasonable time frame to ensure your report is being addressed. By following these steps, you can help ensure that any suspicious activity is reported and handled appropriately. Stay vigilant and keep your account secure.